Happy birthday, it's your birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. It's your birthday.
What's up, y'all? It is your girl Candace Denise, and I'm back again with another video. What's up, y'all? I hope that everybody's doing good, safe, sanitized, living, loving on the people that love on you, and pointing to the people that point to you, because life is so short. So, as you can tell from the title, we're back with another Sunday reset, and my room is a mess. The kitchen's fine, my bathroom's fine, the living room is fine, but I got packages that I've opened. But my bedroom is a mess. I got clothes everywhere. And that's because I had to get prepared for a photo shoot. And I had a birthday dinner. Had to get makeup done. And it was just a whole lot in one day. And the crazy part was I straightened up the day before. So the room was clean. But the day of is when the chaos happened. And y'all know I can't live like that. Especially being that I'm going on a trip. I definitely don't want to leave my room in disarray. And I don't want to come back to my room being in disarray. So we definitely got to reset this room this week, y'all, and get it together. So that way I can get to packing and be organized and just know what I got going on. If it's cluttered, if it's clothes everywhere, then my mind is just all over the place. I love my girly teens. I love my peace. I love my sanity. And I'm not like a super organizer. I don't have OCD or anything like that. It's just if my stuff isn't put back in its place, it's gonna bother me. And I haven't always been there. I just toss it and be fine with it. But I guess the older that I get, everything just get on my nerves. So I'm gonna take this time on Sunday to reset, get my mind together, clean, maybe watch a show or two while I'm getting everything organized, and just pour back into myself. Straightening up, getting my space cleared, it's a form of self-care to me. So I take pride in the way my home looks and the way that my things are organized, and I love to just be able to go to what I need, or I don't have to dig and look for it. So we're gonna put the room back together. So let's go ahead, let's get it, y'all.
Blink and you were beautiful, just like a flower. I could walk with you for 1,000,000 miles and my feet would not get tired. Where you go, I'll go, winter or summer. I don't care the seasons change, 'cause darling, I'll stay right here with you. I would keep you safe while you were dreaming. You could scream and shout, cry 1,000 tears, and I wouldn't let fear win. What you feel, I feel. Together we're healing. I don't care the seasons change, 'cause darling, I'll stay right here with you. Every night and every day. got time to be in love. Oh my, oh my, oh my God. Never been this close to heaven. Never felt something just like this. Ecstasy. Never been this close to heaven. I don't know if this is real or fantasy, or somewhere in between. Somewhere in between. Oh yeah.
I've been working overtime like crazy, just to show you how I really feel. Haven't had a single day off duty, just to show you that my love is real. Do you even care when I stay? Oh baby, can you even tell I'm under your spell? Oh baby, I just wanna take another look at you, so our eyes can finally meet. I just wanna take another look at you. Maybe that's when you will see that I'm falling hopelessly in love with you, 'cause you're making me complete. I just wanna take another look at you. Will you let me? Oh, I hope that someday you will notice every little thing I do for you. Like the time I went to buy you flowers, 'cause you said your favorite one is blue. Do you even care when I stay? Oh baby, can you even tell I'm under your spell? Oh baby, I just wanna take another look at you, so our eyes can finally meet. I just wanna take another look at you. Maybe that's when you will see that I'm falling hopelessly in love with you, 'cause you're making me complete. I just wanna take another look at you. Will you let me? I just wanna take another look at you, so our eyes can finally meet. I just wanna take another look at you. Maybe that's when you will see that I'm falling hopelessly in love with you, 'cause you're making me complete. I just wanna take another look at you. Will you let me? It was all a big mistake, never meant to miss the date. I was caught up with my friends, I forgot that we had plans. So the roses on the floor and found the champagne by the door. All my favorite things, they were there except for you. You were gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you'd just pick up your phone. Called you like 1,000 times, you saw my name and hit decline. Pick up, pick up. Told you once, I'll tell you twice, baby, I apologize. So pick up your life. Every text I sent was read, so I know that you ain't dead. If you just let me your fam. All the things I would say just to make it up to you.
All right, so I am done resetting the house and cleaning up and getting everything straight as it's gonna be. So I want to thank y'all so much for watching. How do y'all reset on Sundays? I know I ask all the time, and some people were telling me they did it on different days, and it does definitely depend upon your work schedule and how you got things planned throughout the week. But it's just something for me that's renewing about starting on Sunday, starting at the beginning of the week. Whether I do it in the morning or finish it up at night, as long as it gets done, because you have to pour back into yourself. You have to make sure that you have a clean slate and make sure that you go into your week with a clear mind, in a clear space, organized space. It doesn't have to be squeaky clean or spotless clean, but make sure daily that you're picking up after yourself so that when you do your reset on Sunday, it's not a whole lot to do. And I never understood that until I got my own place. Like my mom would say, pick up as you go, do as you go. And I just be like, oh my God, I don't feel like cleaning up. And then when I would have to do a big cleanup, it would be hours. It would take hours versus picking up as you go. And then when it's time to reset, only thing you're doing is small things. So try that, y'all. Try picking up as you go and then resetting. If Sunday is the beginning of your week, then do it on Sunday. But whatever works for you, just make sure that you're doing it for you and pouring back into you. So I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure that you like this video. Make sure you drop down in the comments. Again, let me know how you reset. Let me know when you reset. Let me know what things do you do, or if you pick up as you go. Let me know what your cleaning routine is or reset routine is. Most importantly, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and have those notifications turned on so that when I post a video, you will know and you won't miss it. I just want to thank y'all for y'all love and for your support. And if no one else has told you that they love you, just know that Candace Denise does love you from the bottom of my heart. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.